Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove a image border in Photoshop. So get it started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see remove a image border. Now we firstly show the image. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from blending option and tick mark in the remove the tick mark, that is now click OK. That is the remove image border. Then again we can see is remove border. Now going to the layer. Now click mouse right button and click blending option and remove the stroke. Now click OK. That is now you can see remove border in image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.